If you're tired of delivering orders with no tip or low tips, I have a solution for you. I recently discovered a new way for Dashers to see the customer tip before pickup. That alone can make a big difference in your income while on Earn By Time mode. I've actually been able to avoid low-paying offers and deliver much better offers instead by using this method. So yesterday, iCandy Wreath Design commented,
"How do I find out how much the customer has tipped?"
on a recent Earn By Time video I posted, so I wanted to create a tutorial that shows exactly how I do it. So I woke up this morning and decided to do a screen record of the process to show you exactly how it's done. I'll also share an example of what type of orders I normally decline while doing Earn By Time. So in order to see the customer's tip, you do have to accept an order first. So this morning I received this Jersey Mike's order, which I did accept. After you accept the order, you'll click the circle on the top left-hand corner of the screen, which will provide you with more information. The screen that you're taken to will have a section that says "This offer" with an amount next to it. That amount is the customer's tip. So after you check this section, you can decide if you want to continue with the order. In this case, I accepted the Jersey Mike's order. I checked the customer's tip and they tipped $4, which I was happy with. While on this screen, you could also click the Deliver To button to see if it's a Leave It Door or Hand to Customer order. You can also see the customer's note when you click this button, just to have additional information to help you decide if you want to proceed. Personally, I prefer Leave It Door orders that don't have crazy notes. I know you've seen some crazy notes if you've done DoorDash. I'll also quickly go over how to cancel an order just to make sure everyone is aware of that process. You are able to cancel 10 out of every 100 orders without getting fired, so don't be afraid to take advantage of that. I use those 10 cancels to cancel no tip or low tip orders while doing Earn By Time to increase my earnings. Alright, I'm going to continue with this delivery and show you the drop-off process and the final order pay after drop-off to prove this information is accurate. I've tested this with over 50 orders and it worked every time. There have even been hidden tips while using this method, so even though it said the customer tipped $7.50, I actually received more than that once I completed the delivery. Alright, and lastly, I'll show you an example of an order I declined. I declined this order because of the high mileage. Also, it was 2 drop-offs. So if there was no tip, this order would not have been worth it in my opinion, especially because I don't like working where the orders were being delivered to. It's a very busy, congested area. Alright, so just a quick video today. If you found this information helpful, please drop a like, share your thoughts down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Mr. Hustle, out. So I woke up, give it a second. No, my screen went blank. So I woke up this morning and decided to do a screen record.